UY Scuti is a star so big it defies comprehension. If you think our sun is massive, prepare to be amazed as we embark on a mind-blowing journey to witness the colossal wonder that is UY Scuti. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below so you can join us as we unravel the secrets of the universe, explore the latest scientific discoveries, and ponder the profound mysteries that lie beyond our world. And today, get ready to experience the sheer awe-inspiring grandeur of UY Scuti, a star that will forever change the way you perceive the universe. Our sun, the life-giving star at the center of our solar system, is truly magnificent. It is a medium-sized star with a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers. And let's not forget the Earth. We often take it for granted, but let me remind you that our planet is a tiny oasis of life in the vast expanse of space. With a diameter of just over 12,000 kilometers, it feels like our little blue marble drifting in the grand cosmic ocean. Now picture this. Our sun, the star we depend on for life itself, suddenly shrinks down to the size of a tiny pebble. It becomes just a minuscule speck compared to the immensity of the universe. What if I told you that somewhere out there lies an object so vast that it would swallow up all the planets in our solar system, including Jupiter, Neptune, and Pluto, leaving only a gaping void where they once orbited? Get ready to have your mind blown as we venture into the realm of the unknown and uncover the secrets of the colossal object that could devour entire worlds. Prepare to be astounded by the sheer scale of what lies ahead. Hold on tight, because we are about to embark on a journey through the farthest reaches of space. We begin our journey at the edge of our solar system, where the sun's influence begins to fade and the icy plains of Pluto greet us. Here, the dwarf planet sits at a mind-boggling distance of 4.6 billion kilometers from the sun. But that's just the beginning. As we venture further, we encounter the enigmatic Neptune, a gas giant shrouded in mystery and myth. At a distance of 4.5 billion kilometers from the sun, Neptune stands as a silent sentinel, its deep blue hue captivating our imagination. Further still, we find ourselves in the frigid embrace of Uranus, another ice giant that beckons us closer with its sideways rotation and unique beauty. At a distance of 3 billion kilometers from the sun, Uranus seems almost alien-like in its strangeness. And then, as if guarding the very core of our solar system, lies the mighty Jupiter, the largest planet in our cosmic neighborhood. At a staggering 800 million kilometers from the sun, Jupiter reigns supreme, its colossal red spot dominating the landscape. But even in the face of Jupiter's grandeur, what we are about to reveal will leave you speechless. Fasten your seatbelts because we are about to take our exploration to the next level. Brace yourself as we plunge into the depths of a star so massive that it would literally swallow up everything we have seen thus far and more. Prepare for liftoff because we are about to launch ourselves into the heart of a star that defies the boundaries of our imagination. This is UY Scuti, a celestial giant of unparalleled proportions. Imagine a star so massive that it would engulf all the planets in our solar system, including the mighty Jupiter. Now let's bring our sun into the equation. Picture the shocking moment when our seemingly massive star suddenly shrinks down to the size of a tiny pebble in comparison to the colossal UY Scuti. Yes, you heard that right. Our sun, the giver of life, becomes a minuscule speck of dust in the face of this celestial behemoth. Get ready to have your mind blown as we delve into the astonishing details of UY Scuti's mind-boggling size. UY Scuti is a true giant, boasting a diameter that stretches a staggering 1,700 astronomical units away from our sun. To put that into perspective, 1 astronomical unit is the average distance between the Earth and the sun, which is approximately 150 million kilometers. Therefore, UY Scuti's colossal diameter translates to a mind-boggling 255 billion kilometers. That's a size that truly defies comprehension. But wait, there's more. The sheer vastness of UY Scuti doesn't end there. If this star were placed at the position of our Sun, it would extend its colossal embrace beyond the orbit of Jupiter, encompassing the entire solar system within its gigantic radius. That means our Earth, along with all the other planets, would be completely devoured by the insatiable appetite of UY Scuti. To fully grasp the mind-bending scale of UY Scuti, let's embark on an interactive journey. First, visualize the tiny Earth, our home planet, a mere speck of dust in the grand scheme of things. Then imagine our Sun, the bright star that sustains life, now reduced to the size of a small ball. But even that pales in comparison to the truly colossal size of UY Scuti. As we continue to expand the scale, UY Scuti emerges as a gigantic star, engulfing everything in its path. This colossal object is so massive that it would stretch as far as the eye can see. In fact, UY Scuti is classified as a hypergiant, the most massive and luminous stars known to exist. These stars are extremely rare, with only a handful known to astronomers. The star's enormous size results in a stellar classification of F8, I, A, B, V, N. While it may not hold the title of the hottest or coolest star, it is undoubtedly among the brightest. If you thought that was impressive, wait until we reveal the incredible distance that UY Scuti lies away from our own solar system. Now let's take a leap of faith and trust me, you won't want to miss this. As we venture into the realm of the cosmos, let's embark on a journey to truly understand the mind-boggling distances involved. You might wonder, how on earth can we possibly comprehend the immensity of 9,200 light-years? To put this jaw-dropping distance into perspective, let's start with the familiar. The distance from the Earth to our nearest stellar neighbor, Alpha Centauri, is roughly 4.3 light-years. That's already a mind-boggling stretch of space. However, when we compare it to the colossal gap separating us from UY Scuti, it becomes even more apparent just how far away this majestic star truly lies. To traverse the vast expanse between our solar system and UY Scuti, it would take an astonishing 9,200 years of continuous travel at the speed of light. Yes, you heard that right, 9,200 years. Such an incredible distance leaves us with more questions than answers. How can something so far away be visible to us at all? And how have astronomers managed to uncover its secrets? Observing stars that lie thousands of light years away requires sophisticated instruments and keen astronomical minds. But how exactly do we gather information about these distant stars, especially one as elusive as UY Scuti? One method employed by astronomers is photometry. Through photometry, scientists can measure the brightness of stars and determine their absolute magnitudes, giving us insights into their luminosity. Additionally, astronomers utilize parallax, which involves observing the apparent shift in a star's position when viewed from different points in Earth's orbit around the Sun. By analyzing these minute changes in position, astronomers can calculate the distance to nearby stars with remarkable accuracy. However, when it comes to a star as distant as UY Scuti, these techniques alone are insufficient. Instead, astronomers rely on spectroscopy to analyze the light coming from distant stars like UY Scuti. By examining the spectrum of light, astronomers can determine a star's chemical composition, temperature, and even its radial velocity. All of this is achieved by studying the light that travels across the vast expanse of space and reaches our telescopes here on Earth. But let's not forget the limitations of our astronomical prowess. Despite our technological advancements, observing such a colossal star from 9,200 light-years away presents numerous challenges. The immense distance makes capturing detailed images or directly witnessing its features a daunting task. Even determining UY Scuti's exact size remains an area of ongoing research and debate among astronomers. As we continue to probe the depths of space, our understanding of UY Scuti and other distant stars will undoubtedly evolve. With each new discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and wonder of the universe. The sheer scale of UY Scuti is truly astounding. But let's delve deeper into the fascinating details that make this star a subject of both awe and scientific curiosity. Measuring the size of a star as colossal as UY Scuti is no easy feat. Astronomers employ various methods and calculations to estimate its gargantuan dimensions. One approach involves analyzing the star's brightness and temperature to infer its radius. By understanding how much light UY Scuti emits and at what temperature, astronomers can estimate its size. Additionally, spectroscopy allows astronomers to study the Doppler effect in the light coming from distant stars. By analyzing the shifts in wavelengths, they can determine the radial velocity of UY Scuti. With this information, combined with other observations, astronomers can piece together a comprehensive understanding of the star's properties. However, measuring the size of a star that lies 9,200 light-years away presents its fair share of challenges. The immense distance makes direct observation and measurement nearly impossible. Instead, astronomers rely on indirect methods and sophisticated models to estimate UY Scuti's size. Through continuous observation and analysis, astronomers strive to refine their measurements and unlock the secrets of this fascinating hypergiant. As we peer into the depths of space, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges and limitations inherent in exploring the vast cosmos. Our current technology and understanding impose constraints on the precision and comprehensiveness of our observations. In the case of UY Scuti, the immense distance of 9,200 light-years poses a significant hurdle. Capturing high-resolution images or conducting detailed spectroscopic analysis of a star that far away is a monumental task. Furthermore, the dynamic range of brightness across the night sky is so vast that imaging faint objects like UY Scuti in all its glory is challenging. Additionally, atmospheric conditions on Earth can impact the clarity and quality of astronomical observations, necessitating advanced instruments and techniques to compensate for these effects. Despite these challenges, astronomers continue to push the boundaries of exploration and make groundbreaking discoveries that expand our understanding of the universe. With each new advancement in technology and observation, we come closer to unraveling the mysteries of distant stars like UY Scuti. The sheer scale of UY Scuti is truly awe-inspiring. But let's take a moment to reflect on the star's life cycle and its eventual demise. UY Scuti is believed to be in the later stages of its life, nearing the end of its existence as a massive star. As a hypergiant, it has already defied the norm, living a life millions of years longer than its stellar counterparts. But all stars eventually meet their demise. For UY Scuti, its fate lies in a spectacular and explosive ending. The star's core will continue to collapse, increasing the pressure and temperature to unimaginable levels. This will trigger a supernova, an incredibly powerful explosion that marks the death of a star. During the supernova, the outer layers of UY Scuti will be thrown into the vast expanse of space, creating a beautiful yet destructive spectacle. The remnants of the star will be left behind, possibly forming a black hole or a neutron star. These compact remnants are the final stages of a star's life, representing the incredible forces and energies that shaped UY Scuti throughout its existence. But even in its final moments, UY Scuti continues to fascinate astronomers. Studying the star's supernova and the subsequent formation of a black hole or neutron star provides valuable insights into the life cycles of massive stars. As we delve into the mysteries of stellar death, we uncover the profound processes that govern the evolution of stars and the intricate workings of the universe. It's hard to wrap your mind around the idea that UY Scuti has already burned through 14.5 million years of its life. Despite being a young star, it has reached a stage in its life cycle where it will soon run out of hydrogen fuel, marking the beginning of its journey towards becoming a supernova. Currently, UY Scuti's surface temperature is estimated to be around 3,600 Kelvin, and its spectral type is FAIAB-BVE. These characteristics provide clues to its size, luminosity, and overall properties. What's truly fascinating is that UY Scuti is not expected to shine brightly for much longer. Its demise will be swift and spectacular as it transitions to a red hypergiant in the last few months of its life. Imagine the breathtaking sight of this colossal star radiating an intense red glow against the backdrop of the universe. It will be a sight to behold, but only for those who are fortunate enough to witness it from afar. One thing's for sure, UY Scuti will leave behind a legacy that extends beyond its explosive end. The material ejected during its supernova will contribute to the enrichment of interstellar space, providing the building blocks for new stars and planetary systems. The remnants of UY Scuti will serve as a reminder of the star's immense power and the awe-inspiring processes that shape our universe. We have witnessed the extraordinary scale of UY Scuti, a star that defies our perception of size and distance. From its colossal diameter to its mind-boggling location 9,200 light-years away, UY Scuti has left us in awe and wonder. As we ponder the immensity of this hypergiant, it's important to remember that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. What may seem incomprehensible today could become more commonplace tomorrow. With each new discovery, our perception of the cosmos expands, and we are reminded of the boundless wonders that lie beyond our planet. The existence of UY Scuti challenges our understanding of scale and serves as a reminder of the sheer variety and grandeur of the universe. As we gaze up at the night sky, may we never lose our sense of wonder and appreciation for the incredible phenomena that unfold beyond our earthly realm. So what do you think? Does the colossal nature of UY Scuti leave you in awe, or do you yearn for even more mind-bending revelations? Share your thoughts below and join the conversation. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe for more awe-inspiring journeys into the depths of space. Thanks for joining me on this incredible adventure. Until next time, keep looking up and keep questioning. The universe never ceases to amaze, and who knows, you might just stumble upon the next great cosmic revelation.